Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience with the product. We're taking a look at Uniface, a development and deployment platform from Rocket Software found at rocketsoftware.com/en-us/products/Uniface. Uniface allows developers to build and deploy enterprise applications across a variety of platforms, from mobile and web to mainframe and client-server environments. This robust platform boasts support for a multitude of databases and operating systems, providing flexibility and scalability for complex application development. Uniface's low-code approach streamlines the development process, allowing for quicker development cycles and faster time to market. Key features include a model-driven development environment, integrated development tools, and support for multiple deployment options. This allows developers to focus on business logic rather than getting bogged down in the technical complexities of various platforms. Uniface offers a unique approach to application lifecycle management, supporting the evolution of applications over time. This ensures that applications remain relevant and functional, even as technology landscapes shift. The platform's architecture promotes reusability of components, further enhancing development efficiency and reducing maintenance overhead. By leveraging a single development platform for a wide range of applications, organizations can significantly consolidate their development efforts. This consolidation not only streamlines processes but also helps reduce costs associated with maintaining separate tools and skill sets. Uniface's adaptability makes it suitable for a variety of use cases, from modernizing legacy applications to building new, innovative solutions. Furthermore, the platform's commitment to open standards ensures interoperability with other systems, enhancing integration capabilities. With its comprehensive features and broad platform support, Uniface offers a compelling solution for businesses seeking a robust and scalable development platform for their enterprise applications. They have a clear focus on delivering business value through streamlined development and efficient deployment. Exploring their website provides more detailed information on the specific features and capabilities of Uniface and its potential impact on your organization's application development strategy.